GCS is proud to introduce a lineup of grain cleaning equipment geared towards commercial application and larger producers. Our rotary drum grain cleaner combines air cleaning and screen cleaning principles in just one machine. This fully enclosed system is able to clean out light impurities and larger form materials such as straw and whitecaps without having to run the grain through multiple machines. Self-cleaning brushes and rollers continually clean the screens, ensuring clean operation even while running crops with higher moisture contents, further reducing downtime. The drum cleaner is quiet and smooth, and due to its simplicity and the ability to make quick and minor adjustments, it requires very limited human supervision. Each of our rotary drum cleaners include multiple sets of screens that enable the user to clean up to 8 different crops, an adjustable air intake allowing crops of different densities to be run through the machine, and an adjustable drum allowing the operator to control both the drum angle and its speed, easily fine-tuning the grain flow rate. All of our machines are assembled in the United States using all North American electrical parts that meet electrical code requirements for both US and Canada. In addition, our central US location places us in the heart of the North American grain belt, allowing us to provide rapid response service and maintenance for our clients. If you're a grain elevator, seed cleaning facility, or producer is looking for a stationary grain cleaning solution that combines the principles of air and screen cleaning, please explore our lineup of rotary drum grain cleaning equipment. We have models ranging from 800 bushel an hour all the way to 4,000 bushels an hour. GCS, your grain cleaning solution. We are looking forward to serving you.